So there's a situation where I tried to fix the shift box in the Golf MK2, but I failed. Basically it works just the same. I replaced few some kind of a gumballs that you cannot see right now, but it doesn't fix the problem. So basically when you try to put in the first gear, it goes to reverse, and also brakes aren't as they should be. So I give up. I'm going to give this car to mechanics to fix this, so the Golf is now fully functional and good to be driven. And this is the first thing that needs to be done today, so Golf goes to mechanics. And also there's a problem with the Z3 where the radiator starts to leak, so we'll be replacing the radiator today, and this go to the mechanics. Yes. Alright, so we are driving Golf right now. The first is very close to the reverse, and fifth gear is almost impossible to normally put in that gear. So I'm really confused what it is at this moment, so I just gave up. And yeah, I'll give this car to the mechanics so they can fix this thoroughly, not like me in the house. Driving this car is not so fun right now, as you never know what gear you're going to place. And this is pretty scary at some point, because when I firstly, after repair of the clutch, when I first time tried to drive this, I almost crashed into some guy behind because I placed the reverse instead of the first gear. The only thing that made me realize what I was doing was that the camera has opened up, right? So I said, oh fuck, right? We'll see how it goes. But the main point for today is to replace the radiator in Z3. So I'm back, and right now we're going to replace the radiator in ZK. So new radiator is here. Oh, come on here, yes. So new radiator looks like this, and it's alright. And the new old one, I will show you where's the main issue here. So yes. Oh no, I don't have light here, but I need some light. Okay, so issue was that it's leaking here, as you can see, and when I idle it for a while, it started leaking from around this part, right here, yeah. As you can see, it's still a little bit wet, so all needs to go out of here and we'll place a new one. The first thing you need to do is unscrew 4 screws that are 10 mm that are holding the cover of the fan.
After removing the cover, you need to remove also two clips, plastic clips, which are holding the radiator together.
Now once this is done, you have plenty of space to remove those. One is here. I don't know how this is. Well, this thingy, and this thingy. So we remove, disattach all of those, unplug this and this, and the radiator should leave without any issues. So right now it should just straightforward go like this. This is the old one, so we can see it's already damaged here. So there was some kind of a leakages, I believe. I know where this came from, but yeah, it doesn't look good. And this is brand new one, so awesome. And I understand why you're leaking. So we're gonna mount new one, right?
Remember to replace the rubber pads from old radiator to a new one.
Remember to place the gums. Alright, unfortunately one of the O-rings or the tighteners have broken, so I needed to go to the store and grab a new one. We can continue. Alright, so when all the tighteners are tight and you place the radiator in its position, clips are this one and this one attached, then it's time to feel it and see if anything drips from it before we attach all the plastics around it.
If nothing drips, we can attach everything together back again.
Alright, now we are waiting for the temperature to go up, and right now it's like this, so it's going to be a while. Rev it up, boys! Okay, it's in the 50% right now, so it's around 100 degrees, Celsius degrees. It doesn't want to go up. Why? Okay, let's better check the situation. Oh no, this doesn't look good. What are you doing? So once again, it keeps the temperature, but let's see how I'll do it here. Okay, stop leaking right now. Why? Right, so radiator has been replaced. Like I said, this is easy job because of the 4 screws. So we have 4 screws here, and you remove the plastic, then you unclean those 2 pins, and you are good to replace the radiator as soon as you untighten 3 O-rings. I don't know if there are O-rings, but no, the tighten metal thingies, which are here and 2 here on the hoses. But the most important and difficult issue with the BMWs is the bleeding, because I heard that this is the toughest engines to bleed the coolant air, the air out of the coolant system. So the best way to do this is basically unscrew the bleeding screw and the reservoir lid, and then you just run the engine, control the temperature, and give as much coolant as you need, right? As you can see, this engine has been idling for around 1 hour total, and there's still bubbles coming out of here. So let me show you. Oh, you see? Some air bubbles still coming. Okay, apparently holding your anamorphic lens of the Osmo on the heat of the coolant and the radiator is really bad idea. But I really can recommend this magnet thingy, which helps us recover the anamorphic lens from here. Oh, it's not even hot right now, so great success! And we can now just do the drying, and yeah, it will work just fine.
I'm not so convinced.
But the main point is that it doesn't overheat, so this is nice. Alright, so basically that's it. So after some driving, the coolant isn't leaking anymore, and it's bleeded out. So yeah. Thank you very much for watching. This has been Boogie Garage, how to bleed BMW Z3 and how to replace the radiator, right? So, ta-da!